So this is the juice I made today. I have some more in the fridge. Just couldn't take out everything. I'm tired. I only got one bottle of the cabbage, the red cabbage and beets. And this is the honeydew melon with cantaloupe, with honeydew melon with cucumber. And this is the cantaloupe. I had carrots to it. This is a cantaloupe, turmeric, pineapple, and oranges. I have more stuff, but I'm tired. So this is it. I'll continue tomorrow when my family gets here. So this is the juice. I don't believe I did all of this today. And I have more in the fridge. Okay, my people. Bye. Have a good night. Again. Hello, my friends. I'm making juice today. I have 4 different juices for you today. I have honeydew melon with cantaloupes and not cantaloupes, I'm sorry. Honeydew melon, star fruit, and cucumber. So that's what I'm making today. I'll show you this one and then I'll move on to the others, okay? So as I go, I'll tell you what I'm doing, okay? So this is the honeydew melon. They're packed with vitamin C along with the star fruit. Also have some guavas. I found these in the store. So I washed them, clean them up. So I'm going to use them also. So it's delicious and it will taste good also. The cucumbers are so good. So this is the juice. I'm gonna drop more stuff in. The cucumbers, star fruit. I'm gonna cut it instead of just putting it in. I juice the honeydew with the seed in it because seeds are good. So I juice it with the seeds. Put the cucumbers in. Just a little seed. Ah, okay. This juice is really refreshing. It's more like a summer juice, but it still has its benefits. So I'm gonna still do it. With cucumbers, you're gonna get fiber from this and your vitamin C, star fruit to make it even better, and some green apples. Yay! I swear by my juices, yeah? They keep my skin looking fresh. It gives me energy and just keep me going all day. I love this. I eat once a day, something strong and good. And then I take maybe 2-3 glasses of juice for the day. So that's how I'm doing it. Along with a salad sometimes with the meal. Sometimes, not all the time, but I'm trying. So I'm getting my weekend started by doing the juice from today I'm not only juicing for myself. My children are coming over this weekend. My granddaughter is staying over with me. So, I'm getting started. Yeah? This is the guava. I love when I go shopping and find all of these nice things. Star fruit. Hey, I love it. Oh. I'm professional, you see me? Star fruit. I'll fill it up one more time. Cucumbers. And here it goes. I'm gonna put lemon and lime in. Everybody should juice. It's really good for you. It's filling, so it's good for weight loss also. But it's an healthy option, okay? This keeps me from eating all day and eating the wrong stuff. If I'm hungry after I have my meal, I take a glass of juice. I might have 2 different kinds in the fridge. Sometimes I even mix them. But this is a healthy option. Okay, let me put more apples. I have the green apples. And cucumbers. And ginger. Yeah. So I'm going to wash. Everything is washed and clean. Yeah. My ginger. So this is the first juice I'm doing today. More apples. This juice is something else. Look at the color. Look at this. Look at it. I'm going to use these bottles to store it in. So when I've done that, I'll come back, okay? So let me go put it in the bottles. And I'll come back to show you the rest, okay? Bye.